Assalamu alaikum. I'll tell you the method to earn $10 to $50 in a day without any skill. So open Fiverr.com. Here USA email list. You can see there are many sellers that are selling USA email list. So you can sell your email list and earn money online. Then search bulk email list. See, here are 8,600 and many services that are selling email list. You can earn money online by selling your email list. So let's collect our email list. First of all, for email collection, we need just two Chrome extension that are email extract and email hunter. I have already added to Chrome. After installing this, write this site linkedin.com, then space fashion, then write site linkedin.com space your targeted keyword like fashion, then location that like USA, UK countries, etc. Then your targeted domain and search it here. Then click on email extract and enable auto search. This will collect all emails from all pages. Then go to email hunter and click on all emails and copy these emails. And paste here. Then go to again your search and search for any location except USA like India. You can see here are 4 pages. This will collect all email from these 4 pages and you can copy once these emails. Go to your email hunter and click on all emails and copy them. Then go to Excel and paste it here. So this is the simple method. You can repeat it and collect many emails and earn $10 to $50 in a day.